Hi everyone, my name is Jennifer Estrada, and today I'm going to talk to you about the relationships of the brain, brainstem, and the spinal cord. The brainstem connects the brain with the spinal cord, which these parts of the body work together but each have a special function. Which first we're going to talk about the brain. The brain is protected by the bones of the skull and by a covering of three thin membranes called meninges. The function of the brain controls the thought, memory, emotion, touch, motor skills, vision, breathing, temperature, hunger, and every process that regulates our body. The brain is the most important organ in the human body. Secondly, we have the brainstem. The motor and the sensory neurons travel through the brainstem, allowing for the relay of signals between the brain and the spinal cord. The function of the brainstem regulates the heart rate, breathing, sleeping, and eating. It also plays a role in conduction. The spinal cord. The spinal cord is protected by the bones, disc, ligaments, and muscles. The function of the spinal cord is the highway for communication between the body and the brain. Also, the spinal cord can be one of the most sensitive parts of the body. Lastly, the nervous system that the brainstem, and the spinal cord belongs to is the central nervous system. The central nervous system is also involved with our senses such as seeing, hearing, touching, tasting, and smelling. But it can also be in our emotions, thought, and memory. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you guys liked it.